Hi friends, we have been talking about word pairs that are confusing. Some words sound the same when you speak them out, but in meaning they are actually poles apart. They are so much different from each other that there is absolutely no similarity between them except the way they are pronounced. So today the pair that I have got for you is alter and alter. दोस्तों, ऐसे शब्द बहुत सारे हैं अंग्रेजी में जो सुनने में बिल्कुल सेम होते हैं, जिनका उच्चारण बिल्कुल सिमिलर होता है, जिनका उच्चारण सेम होता है करीब करीब, लेकिन उनके मीनिंग्स बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंट होते हैं. इसीलिए मैं आपसे हमेशा कहता हूं कि आपको संदर्भ से शब्द का मतलब समझने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. फ्रेंड्स, दैट इज व्हाई आई ऑलवेज टेल यू दैट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ अ वर्ड थ्रू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, through how it has been used. So let's look at these two words, alter and alter. Now, alter actually means to make a change in something. It may be a small change, it may be a slightly more complex change, but you are not transforming it completely. You are only altering it. Now, if I am wearing this shirt and this shirt becomes loose or it becomes tight, then I can go to the tailor and ask the tailor, could you please alter it a bit so that it fits me better? So that is known as an alteration. So to make it a little different but not completely different, आंशिक परिवर्तन करना, ALTER, alter, that's the word. बदलना, परिवर्तित करना, that's the word. Now let's go to the next word which has only one difference in spelling, ALTAR, and there's a huge difference between them in meaning. दूसरा शब्द जो है altar आप बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन alter ही बोला जाता है उसको भी. So ALTAR instead of ER. और ये एक, जैसे हम वेदी बनाते हैं या कोई भी ऊंची जगह, मोस्टली अ टेबल टाइप की चीज जिसपे हम रिलीजियस सेरेमनीज करते हैं, जिसपे हम कोई भी रिलीजियस सेरेमनी करते हैं, एक ऊंचा टेबल जो किसी भी धार्मिक समारोह का केंद्र होता है, वेदी या वेदिका हम लोगों में भी होती है, तो उसे कहते हैं ऑल्टर. मोस्टली ऑल्टर जो है, द वर्ड इज यूज्ड इन कनेक्शन विथ रिलीजन एंड रिलीजियस सेरेमनीज. कई बार ऑल्टर सैक्रिफाइस के संदर्भ में भी प्रयुक्त किया जाता है. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स इट इज यूज्ड फॉर सैक्रिफाइसेस ऑल्सो. किसी प्रकार की बलि देने को लेकर भी इस शब्द का प्रयोग होता है, ALTAR. Now let's go ahead and see what an altar looks like. So now if you look at it, you can see this is a religious altar. This is an altar in a church. This word came from Christianity, the word altar. So it is connected to the church in many ways. Now let's look at the difference between the two. So ALTAR is the name of an elevated place or structure for religious ceremony. So it is a noun, and alter is a verb meaning to make different. Now let's look at the sentences. He placed the flowers on the altar. उसने ऑल्टर के ऊपर जाके वो फूल रख दिए जो पूजा के लिए शायद लाए गए थे. The second sentence, I have requested the tailor to alter my suit. मैंने टेलर मास्टर से अनुरोध किया है कि मेरे सूट को थोड़ा सा ऑल्टर कर दो. और हम just see, in Hindi also we use the word alter only. We don't go to the tailor and say, जरा यार इसमें परिवर्तन कर देना हल्का सा. Everybody uses the word alter only. Alter करा लो, alter करा लो. When you go buy something at a mall, then what do they say? Sir, you choose, we'll alter it immediately. Otherwise they'll say alter हो जाएगा, कल ले जाइएगा. So alter is a very popular word, but alter, if I may say so, ALTAR, alter, that is not a popular word. आप दोनों को alter ही कहिएगा. एक रिलीजियस ऑल्टर है जो कि नाउन है, और दूसरा ऑल्टर है जो कि किसी चीज में परिवर्तन करना, आंशिक परिवर्तन करना, to make small changes or maybe bigger changes but not changing it completely. That is an alteration. An altar is actually a place where religious ceremonies take place. So viewers, thank you very much for watching this. If you would like to make a sentence with either of these words, altar or alter, do so in the comment box. Practice this thing. This is going to enrich your vocabulary. This is going to make your English very, very strong, and you're going to become very knowledgeable and fluent. Thank you and all the best.